medical device for physical examination, namely scale, tympanic thermometer, blood pressure cuff, and pulse oximeter. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Lucia Garciana Yunita, with student my number 1933003. The purpose of weighing is to find out normal or abnormal body weight and to determine the dosage of drug and diet. Procedure for weighing or scale. 1. Adjust the scale until the needle shows 0. 2. Instructs the patient to stand on the scale barefoot and without thick clothing. 3. Read weight. 4. Clean up the tool used. 5. Wash your hand. Tympanic thermometer. Tympanic thermometer is a thermometer that uses infrared light to measure the temperature inside the air canal, to be precise in the air drum. Before putting in the air, make sure the thermometer is dry and clean of airway. Once the thermometer is turned on, place on the sterile cap on the end. Hold the head and pull it back over the top of the ear to strike in the canal of make the thermometer easier to insert. Wait for it to sound and read body temperature. Pulse oximeter, its correction is the record the patient blood oxygen saturation. How to use a pulse oximeter of attach or clamp the tool to the ringer and position it appropriately so that the light oximeter can work properly, then wait for the result to appear. Tensimeter is a device used to measure blood pressure. How to use the blood pressure monitor. 1. Place the three finger cuff over the brachial pulse. Not tonight. 2. Place the flat side of the stethoscope over the brachial pulse and attach in the ear. 3. Then find the radial artery we hold with the left hand. 4. Close the air valve on the tensimeter favorable palm of turning to the right until of the run. 5. Pump until the radial artery does not beat, then add 3 thin. Open the air valve to the left slowly. 7. The first beat that is heard is systolic, while the last beat before the sound is completely lost is the diastolic sound.